beautiful. Beautiful. Nice. So good. So
Look at the back. Take a look at the back.
so good.
So good.
Oh, this house I'm with my own to rent, so you can make it out. So you can make it out. Now I know you're alright. So blue, like a rose in a riverbed.
My Maddie, being your partner is one of the greatest gifts in my life. I never imagined being part of a relationship like this, where I felt heard and loved and challenged all at once. I promise to spend my life making you feel the same way that you make me feel. I promise to spend our marriage trying to show you how the world sees you and how I see you, as the kind, balanced, protective, and loving person that you are. And I promise to always be yours. I love you.
Love you so much. You're my best friend, my sweetheart, my little chicken. Knowing we're about to spend the rest of our lives together fills my heart with so much joy. I'm so excited. Excited for our marriage, excited for French toast and F1 Grand Prix on a Sunday morning with my wife. Excited for sunsets at Sawbull with my wife.
My wife.
Excited for morning walks through the neighborhood with my wife. And excited to live a long and happy life with the person I love most in this world.
Rita, love, I promise to be your rock when times are hard, be a shoulder to cry on, to remind you of what's important when life gets overwhelming, and to support you in everything you do.
I promise to spend my life being everything good for you, being your joy, safety, comfort, and home. Thank you for the past 8 years of love, and thank you for the next 80 in advance.
It is my personal privilege and a great joy to be the first one to introduce Rita, Matt, for the first time as partners for life.
Matthew, I call him Matthew. He is a wonderful, forward-thinking individual who is always two steps ahead of everyone, even me. Even sometimes, Rita. Sometimes.
Rita is one of the kindest, most thoughtful people I've ever met and works tirelessly to put everybody else first. She always listens with empathy, always finds a way to bring out the best in people. Those who have crossed their path are a better person because they have Rita in their life.
When we see the two of you together and see the happiness in your eyes when looking at each other, we remember our days, myself and Suzanne.
If we could see the love they share for one another. One day, Chris looked at me and said, I think she's the one. A mother knows, and look where we are today.